Hey guys, I'm KAKO, and today I'll show you some super useful tips to infinite fast and easy. So make sure to stick around the end of this tutorial. You probably wondered how animators manage to switch between so many hand poses while keeping everything so smooth. Did they really rig every single hand? Well, not exactly. There's actually no rig involved. For example, in this Irish character, I didn't rig either the body or the hand. At the first, the hand is open and holding a C. Then a lucky clover appears in the hand that you can easily download the hand and details from the description link. Let's do it! First, I arrange them. Then right-click and click on the hand one and select the second option. OK. Again. Now I place the anchor points where I want each layer to rotate from. Then hide the second hand layer. I parent them together, lift the stem, the seed and clover to the corresponding hands, hands to elbow, elbow to arm, and arm to the body. Right. And I rotate them according to the dialogue, the character personality, and the style of scene. See?
Nowadays, people know the price of everything and the value of nothing. Oscar Wilde, The Picture of Dorian Gray. Thanks for watching.
But
like and subscribe for more.
The timing is too slow and stiff. So select the keys and press F9. Then I use the graph editor to smoothen the speed graph across keyframes to create a higher speed between the keys, since the hands change at peaks. Okay, I apply motion blur to the layers and enable motion blur. Now both hands move the same.
And the value of nothing.
Finally, the first hand cuts at the end and the second hand cut at the beginning at peak speed between keyframes. So the changes are hardly noticeable. See?
Nowadays, people know the price of everything and the value of nothing. Oscar Wilde, The Picture of Dorian Gray.
To make it smoother, you can rotate the hands too and move keys 4 frames forward for follow-through overlap, or change the speed graph and a banded effect inside the hand comps according to the main comp timing. Like this. And a little position and rotation for seed and clover. It's the result.
Nowadays, people know the price of everything and the value of nothing. Oscar Wilde, The Picture of Dorian Gray. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.
Congratulations! It doesn't matter how many hands you change, you just need to know what is the cut layer in action. Have same animate, same graph, different look, and bang! Cut at the peak speed. It's not just for the hands, it can be used for the mouth, eyes, face, or even the whole of body. This technique is widely used in anime and limited animation, and I love these different scenes. For short scenes, rigging just adds time and cost. So, use rigging when you want to reuse the same scene multiple times in one scene or across multiple scenes. Here, I rigged the mouth and eyes with joystick and slider script because they had repeated animation and the character was speaking. Thanks for watching till the end. And if you like hand animations, you're gonna love this too. Submit for more and leave a like to support me. Good luck, guys!